Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a classic holiday makeup look for you guys today. So just kind of like neutral but light and sparkly sort of eyes, neutral but then glowy cheeks, and then a classic red lip but with a little metallic-y sheen to it. So yeah, just kind of fun and sparkly and holiday. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've already applied some eyeshadow primer and set that. So I'm gonna start with some colors from the Pumpkin Spice palette from Too Faced. So I'm gonna get some of Warm and Creamy first off, and using a crease brush, an alter ego crease brush, just gonna apply this and blend it up a little bit, just kind of in crease and transition area. Don't have much of a voice today. Sinusy stuff, that's always fun. Now taking a Morphe M507 brush, I'm gonna get some of this one right here, which is extra toasty. Extra toasty. Gonna get just a little bit of it because it's definitely pigmented. And apply this in my outer corner and bring this over into my crease as well, but keeping it a little bit lower than that first shade. Gonna clean up my brow bone with a little bit of Daydreamer. Yeah, Daydreamer. Now for my lid, I'm going to use one of the L'Oreal Infallible shadows. Love these in Iced Latte. Really pretty, just kind of light, icy, ivory sort of a color. So getting that on a Chique eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. And get a little bit more. This is one that I find that you can kind of dip down into it even if your brush is wet. I don't find that it hurts it in any way. And then I'm just going to apply this all over my lid, kind of I'd say about 2/3 of the way over. Then to amp up the metallic sheen even more, I'm going to use one of the Prismetals from J Cat Beauty. These are so beautiful. This one is Frosty Foil. Frosty Foil. And it's like an icy, sort of a, I wouldn't say silvery, like an icy, shimmery, champagne white sort of a color. Wowie! Just putting this more on the inner part of my lid. I think I got too much, so you can kind of blend it a little bit if you get too much like I just did. To get a little bit more precision on the inner part of my eyelid, I'm using a silicone applicator. This is from BH Cosmetics. These are really great. Just going back in with my Morphe M507 and just doing a little bit of blending on the outer part just so I make sure that that's nice and blended. And then to add a little bit of glitter, because YOLO with holiday makeup, I'm going to use the Pixie by Petra Fairy Lights in Crystalline. Crystalline. This is a beautiful kind of like rainbow light glittery sort of shadow. So I'm going to get just a tiny brush. This is a BH Cosmetics detailer brush. I'm just going to tap some of this on my lids. Now for some winged liner and mascara, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash Mascara and the IT Cosmetics Superhero. So I'm going to apply all these and I'll be right back. Okay, I also applied some concealer, powder, and bronzer and a little bit of foundation just kind of around my lip line so I can get a really precise lip line in a little bit once we apply lips. Okay, for bronzer, what I used is the Laura Geller Soft Matte Baked Bronzer in Fair. I love this. It is so pretty and kind of like blush looking too. It is just so natural and gorgeous. I have mascara all over my finger. I think I got it. Okay, for blush, we're going to use a classic, the Chanel, what is this? Jouer Contrasty? I don't know. In Jersey. It's a beautiful neutral color, so I think it'll go really well with this look. I need a brush to apply it with. Here's one. I'm going to use a Wet n Wild brush. Love that. Chanel blush, Wet n Wild brush, because I like them both. let's finish up the eyes. So I'm going to get a little bit of Warm and Creamy, that same transition shade that we used earlier, on a really tiny brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. I think I got this free with an order at some point. So just going to apply this along my lower lash line. So any kind of a small brush to apply this will work. I'm just going to use some of the CoverGirl Clump Crusher on my lower lashes. For cheek highlighter, I'm going to use Iced Latte. It's so pretty on the cheeks also. Just using a kind of a fluffy eyeshadow brush actually, so just any kind of highlighter brush. Also going to pop some of that on the inner corners of my eyes with a pencil brush. Okay, and then lastly for lips, I'm going to use this combo right here, the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in Red the Scene. And love this metallic lipstick from CoverGirl. This is in Ready or Not. It's just a gorgeous metallic-y red. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. So hope that you really enjoyed it. Please hit a thumbs up if you did, and let me know down below what are your favorite kind of looks to do for the holidays. I would love to hear that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!